Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Y'all, it's Vlogtober the 29th. I'm so excited. Aren't you excited? We got 2 more days and that's it. So in this video, guys, I would like y'all to tell me, I would like to do a live tomorrow, but it will be in the early afternoon, about maybe 3-ish. So if you guys are wanting a live tomorrow, which would be the 30th, please let me know in this video in the comments below. Okay? I got y'all something warm to drink. So today's video is going to be a little different because what I'm going to bring you guys along is just showing you things that I'm just doing around my home, tidying up with, especially with some of the things that I purchased yesterday, and just putting things where they belong and maybe doing like a little switcheroo here and there. But other than that, it's going to be a super nice video. I think you guys will enjoy it. Y'all, today, she's gone. Excata is gone. Fake Excata is gone. She can go to the recycle bin. So, yeah, I'm drinking me some warm tea. I got honey, raw honey, a little bit of, I have lemon tea, lemon green tea, and I have turmeric and ginger herbal tea mixed together. So, tastes really good. So, guys, if you are interested, then I suggest that you keep on watching. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. Hold the line, please. First, I'm gonna put these dishes up. Then I'm gonna place the rugs in here. That goes in here because the floors. I think in the last video I cleaned not in the last video, but this week I cleaned the floors, so I don't have to mop any floors because they're already clean. So I will be putting the rugs down in the living room. In the kitchen, in the bathroom. And I will be doing something in the family room and something in the bedroom. And then that's going to be it, y'all. So just stay tuned, okay? Now, do y'all understand what I'm saying about this rug? Just looks better in the kitchen because it's more flat. The rug is more flat here. So as you guys can see, it has like the real beautiful print in it like that. And it's just flat to the floor. It just looks really good. All right, guys, look at that. Super, super pretty. I love it. I love it. It looks so good. So fluffy in here. Now on to the next project in the bathroom. I'm going to be removing this thing here because, guys, this is really like, I don't know, it's peeling and it's sticking. So I'm going to do something with this area, and then I'm going to do a switcheroo with this area. Yeah, guys, I really like these frames. I'm like so in y'all's face right now, so close. But anyway, these frames have like a inlay in them. So it's like the frame is metal, brass, and the glass is in the front, and then there's an acrylic inlay in the inside. So when you do place your photos or anything that you would like to put in them, you can do so, and then you will put the acrylic on the back part, and it will hold it in place. So yeah, I really like that. Let me know what y'all think. I really, really like it. I struggled a little bit trying to get the thing to stick on there, but it came out really, really nice. So y'all, my idea for this, I'm thinking if I don't do photos, I'll probably do a black and white print. I'll probably print out something that has some words. Let me know in the comments, do y'all think I should put something black and white in here that has words? I absolutely love that, y'all. And that completes my gallery wall. So on to the next project, and that will be my bedroom, the things that I wanted to tackle in there. So I'll see you on the other side. Guys, now we're in the bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and get this started. So as you guys know, I bought headbands yesterday. Here they are here. I'm going to end up putting this inside the walk-in closet here. Sorry, y'all, I'm right here. I'm going to put this inside the walk-in closet so I could be able to slide this over. And I want to be able to position these somewhere on here because I will be wearing these a lot. And I need to wipe off this mirror. And then you guys know I bought these pictures here yesterday. So let's move these here. So I need to like unbox these and figure out where I want to put them. Y'all, they're super, super beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, so we're going to just get this started. So that's going to be the last clip of this video. So hold the line, y'all. All right, guys, now it's time for us to get these beautiful pictures loose and get busy. And if you're wondering again, guys, this is the what did it say? Cast. Y'all, I don't know where my glasses are, but they are. Let me put it right here so you guys will know. So you can, if you're looking for something like that, see if you can you read that? That's what they are. That's what it is. So super, super beautiful. I told you guys they came with the hardware. Let me see if you're in frame. Okay. They came with the hardware and everything. So let me see. Ooh. Y'all, my hand is giving me the most trouble today. I don't know why. Like, some days are good, some days are bad. They have this package really good, y'all. Really good. So let's just put all this here. And let me take care of the other one. Oh gosh, these are so cute, y'all. The way I was gonna put them, I think I changed my mind, y'all. I was gonna put them, I'll show you guys in a second. I was gonna put them side by side, but now I'm wondering, there's the hardware for that. And guys, it comes with the leveler. Look at that. Comes with the leveler piece and all that great stuff. Let me see. Ouch. Whoa, they making sure this don't get broke. These edges don't get damaged or anything, which is great. You know, that's really great. But guys, here are, oh, that's recycled. Look at these beautiful pieces of art. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So my intentions were to put them like, let me show y'all. My intentions were to put them like that. But now, like that or like this, now I'm starting to feel like I want to put them maybe like this. That looks pretty to me. So this is the wall that they're going to go on. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get started, y'all. I'll figure it out. But yeah, you guys come along with me. I just want to show you the detail. Look at that. I just want to show you the detail on this all over. It is so pretty. So rich and beautiful. Look at that. Very mid-century modern chic. Ooh, y'all. Okay, let the process begin. To show you really quick that I did move this into the center so I can like really see, and then I still have my shoes on each side, so I did move that. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making the video. Let me know what was your favorite things that I did to the house with the tweaks or whatever. FYI, I will be doing this back wall. It's going to be getting painted, y'all will see. I'm thinking about going like a dark charcoal gray. I just want an accent wall because I feel that like in the wintertime, it will make the room more cozier. And then in summertime, it will make the room more cooler, if you understand what I mean. But that is the one update that will be coming soon. Probably would be shopping for the paint probably like next week. But that is the next project. And I think the last project that would be coming. So that would just be in the videos upcoming. It won't be for a Vlogtober or anything because, guys, Vlogtober is going to be over. Okay? So, guys, thank you so much for coming along this journey with me for Vlogtober. I really appreciate you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.